ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಹೇಳಿಮಾ.
Hi, myself Saida Namira. Today I am here with my TLM. This is amoeba and this is paramecium. Both are unicellular organisms.
Excellent.
Hi, myself Saida Sadia. So this is the Ganga Action Plan and this is a polluted stretch of Ganga River and this is the industrial waste.
Nice.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Ambika Ella. I am here to represent the ನೀರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಪರಮಾಣು ಮಾದರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ರಿವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಕೆ ಶೆಲ್, ಎಲ್ ಶೆಲ್, ಎಂ ಶೆಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಶೆಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Nice. Good.
Hemalata. This is the picture of coal. This coal is used in various industries and this coal properties is it's black in color and it has a hard stone and it is used in many industries like power generation and railway engines and also other
Uses. Okay. Done. Good.
Myself Kadya. Organism, there are types,
Okay.
unicellular organism and multicellular organism.
Okay.
Hi, myself Madhu. This TLM represents the life cycle of a frog.
Okay.
The eggs after fertilization.
Okay. Done. It's a cycle.
Myself Madhu. This is carbon cycle.
Okay.
Atmosphere in the land ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ land in the
Atmosphere. Okay. Done. Good.
Myself Nandini. These are the microorganisms causes diseases in the humans and
Okay.
plants.
Nice. Good.
Hi, myself Priyanka. We know that deforestation is a major environmental issue. These are the effects of deforestation. That will be global warming, acid rain, drought, soil erosion, or effect on wildlife.
Good.
Myself Sadita, this is the Jessica 1 to Jessica, and when compared to Jessica 1 Jessica, the quality of milk is more than Jessica.
Good.
Myself Sushmita. This TLM for the greenhouse effect. That greenhouse gases which drops the sun heat, so it known as a greenhouse effect.
Nice.
My name is Osam. It is a human heart. It is nearly a 4-chamber heart. It is a left atrium, it is left ventricle, and it is a right atrium, and it is right ventricle. Blood circulation was given by the William Murray.
Nice.
Myself Vidya. This is the source of water pollution. How water is polluted.
Hi, myself Kirta. This is the TLM related to the source of air pollution.
Okay.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೌತಮಿ. ಇದು ಆಮ್ಲ ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ ತಾಜ್ಮಹಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀರಿದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಭಾವವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
Nice.